Prepare to embark on a mesmerizing journey deep into the heart of Papua New Guinea's lush rainforests, where we unveil the captivating world of the kingbird of paradise. In this video, we venture into the remote and pristine habitats of this remarkable avian species. As we explore the dense foliage and lush undergrowth, you'll witness the hidden beauty of the kingbird of paradise, a bird revered for its extraordinary plumage and enchanting courtship rituals. Join us as we closely observe the kingbird of paradise's vibrant plumage, which shimmers with brilliant hues of red, blue, and green.